The STAM 1130 error code on your Spectrum cable box means service initialization failed. This prevents access to the program guide, DVR functions, and live channels. It usually indicates your box isn't properly receiving guide data from Spectrum's servers. Common causes include weak cable signals, internal hardware glitches, especially in older boxes like Spectrum 110 or 210 models, temporary network interruptions, or even rare software conflicts. This is especially relevant if you're using legacy cable setups. To troubleshoot and fix the STAM 1130 error, start with basic steps. First, power cycle your Spectrum box. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they're secure, including the coax cable to the outlet, HDMI to the TV, and power cord. Then, use the Spectrum app to verify that your box is properly authorized on your account. If those steps don't resolve it, perform a factory reset through the box's settings menu. As of July 2025, the Spectrum app features an AI-driven diagnostic tool that can remotely reset your box. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support at 1-833-267-6094 for advanced diagnostics. For older boxes, upgrading to a newer Spectrum One box can eliminate the error permanently. Finally, note that Spectrum is planning to phase out physical boxes by 2030 in favor of app-based services.